Hey besties! So it's time to cook with Chaotic. So on tonight's menu, we're going to have fried chicken, and I'm gonna do my nigga. I'm gonna do him some baked chicken probably. We're gonna have yellow rice and corn seasonings, and he's gonna have olive oil and Italian herb noodles with some sweet peas, and this is all his seasoning. All right, we got the fried chicken. I ain't worried out of paper towel, so I did old school. Baked sweet peas, our corn, bay, olive oil and Italian herb noodles, our yellow rice, and baked chicken. And tonight, we are done.